How to change chart timeframe and zoom in or out. You have a couple of options to change the time frame of a chart. You can right-click on the chart, go to Timeframes, and select the desired time frame. Alternatively, you can use the timeframe quick bar at the top of the platform to quickly choose a different time frame. If this bar isn't visible, go to the View tab at the top of the screen, select Toolbars, and then choose Timeframes. The timeframe menu will appear, and you can move it by clicking and dragging the line of dots on the left side. To change the time frame using the menu, simply click the chart you want to change, then click the desired time frame button. You can also customize the time frame menu to display only the time frames you want to use. Right-click on the time frame menu and select Customize. A window will appear with two lists of time frames, the available ones on the left and the current ones on the right. Use the buttons in the middle to move time frames between the lists. You can arrange the time frames using the up and down buttons on the right side. Once you're satisfied, press Close, and the menu will be updated. Additionally, you can zoom in and out on a chart. This can be done by right-clicking on the chart and selecting either Zoom In or Zoom Out, or by using the Zoom quick bar buttons at the top of the platform. You can also use the plus and minus hotkeys on your keyboard to zoom in and out of the selected chart. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.